Number two, if cosine theta equals 7 over 25 and tangent theta is less than 0, what is the value of CSC, which is cosecant? Well, let's think about this. The song we have is psi y cos x. Cos x. That means 7 is x. And in the song, when we say psi y cos x, tangent is y over x, the h is silent. So this is the hypotenuse here. So really we have this relationship. We know that x equals 7, h equals 25. What we do not know is what is our y value. That is the question. And we can use Pythagorean theorem to solve for this. So you'd say that x squared plus y squared equals your h squared. That's the form a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So 7 squared plus our y squared will equal 25 squared. So to solve for y, what I'll do is I'll subtract the 7 squared. And so 25 squared minus 7 squared will give us our y squared. So I'll come over here and we'll go 25 squared minus 7 squared. That gives us 576. And so 576. And now if I want to know what is y, I'll just take the square root of both sides. And so when I do that, my y is going to be the plus or minus, because I'm not sure which one it is yet. Positive or negative, we'll go square root of 576. Whoops, where'd the 5 go? Let's try that again. Of 576. And that's 24. So y is plus or minus 24. So now, how can we discover if it's the positive or the negative? Here's what we do. We go to the tangent. It says tangent theta is less than 0, which means that it's negative. Well, tangent is y over x. So y over x has to be less than 0. Now we know x is 7, so I'll put that there. And y is either the positive or the negative of 24. Well, for this thing to be less than 0, especially if you want to think about multiplying by 7, which that would cancel that out, and that cancels out over there, or 0 cancels out with the 7. 7 times anything, or rather 0 times anything is 0. So that would go away. You would just say, which way would this be negative and be true? It has to be negative 24 to be less than 0. So our y we just discovered is negative 24. It must be negative. Now that we know that, what is the value of CSC? Well, and if you press the trig button over here, CSC, cosecant. This goes cosecant, secant, cotangent. It's in line with sine, cosine, tangent. CSC is a reciprocal of sine. So instead of being y over h, it's going to be h over y. So we're looking for here h over y, which would equal 25 divided by negative 24. And that would be our answer here.